So the other day this piece of Chinesium goodness arrived at my doorsteps, and it's a bicycle light. It is 3 to 18 volt and 3 watt, and it looks like it is going to fit, although damn Sibex. I guess it's a light bulb without a bulb, although I think there is a small light bulb, a little dome over the top of the LED, and I wonder if this is going to work in my winter beater bicycle with a regular dynamo, with that Basta dynamo that I installed recently. But before I install this on my bicycle, I better check for continuity. This piece of Chinese technology might not have survived the journey to the west. Sounds like there is continuity, so it's testing time. That's the spare. How do I open this up without breaking the plastic? Here's the original light bulb next to the incandescent light bulb, and the thread looks the same. Stupid thing was, this wasn't advertised as a bicycle light on the Banggood website. But let's find out if it is working. It does screw in like a regular bicycle light, although I must say it does look a bit odd compared to a normal bicycle light. But I guess if it makes more light, I won't be complaining. Now let's see if I can close up the patient. Plastic crap. Again, plastic crap. Well, I'll get this sorted, but it will be off camera. I got my dignity to worry about. Well, that took more force than I like, but I got it back together, and I guess now it is testing time. Look at that. Something is flashing. I think I should put the bicycle upside down. So now I'm going to turn the wheel as fast as I can. Huh. It's very white. And I think it is brighter than that incandescent light bulb. So far it looks promising. I should reinstall the incandescent light bulb so we can easily compare. So I wasn't able to properly close up the lamp, but this is only a test, and it should still work good enough. I would say that is less light, and it is definitely more yellow. I think I better reinstall the LED light and go out for a test ride. I'm still on the local dirt road, but I think there's more light, so this looks promising. But I'm going to move to the tarmac road for some better testing.
And as before, there's not a whole lot to see on camera. The white thing you see, that's the mudguard. The light being reflected on the mudguard. Well, let's see if I can speed this up a bit. Street light. The light doesn't really become brighter when cycling faster, but it should also not burn out because it is rated up to 18 volt. So yeah, on camera it definitely does not look impressive, but I think it is an improvement. I'm happy with it. Although these LED lights are relatively expensive. I think I paid more than 10 euro for one light bulb. Anyway, like, subscribe, yada yada yada, and to be continued. I'm going to go back home because it is well past my bedtime. Good night. So when cycling slow, there seems to be the same amount of light compared to when cycling fast. I guess that's also an added benefit.